Good afternoon, Year 6, and welcome to today's computing session, where we are finishing our website as part of our enterprise project. Now then, this sheet that has been emailed to your parents and is available on Google Drive is very important, okay? It tells you exactly what you're doing and what you need to include. So here, you must include these 5 pages, okay? And they should be titled Home, About the App, the Review page, Where to Buy, and the Future. And there's a little extra information here for you to add afterwards as well, okay, for you to talk about. Now remember, I'm looking for Year 6 level work here. I'm looking for some really good writing. I'm not just looking for one sentence on a page, okay? So make sure it's got enough information on it. Now then, when you've got these different pages added, of course you can add more, okay? Of course you can add an extra page if you think of a really good idea, okay? Maybe a feedback page, okay? Maybe the game embedded into your website, which I'm going to talk a little bit more about. Of course you can add more than this, but this section here is the minimum that I expect, okay? Remember, you can include screenshots of the game, video links, you can record your screen to show people how to play it. Of course, any of this information, like the reviews, you can, of course, make up. Maybe include your advertisement on there, okay? There's so many things that you could be putting on here. Okay, so I'm going to show you today how to embed your game into your website. So if people want to play your game on your website, they can do, okay? So remember, you must have these parts here. They must be included. If they're not, I'll ask you to add them in afterwards, okay? So let's have a little look at embedding our game. So putting the game inside our website. So to get to Google Sites, you very simply go to here and press Google Sites, okay? And that will load up all of yours. Now remember, you are using new Google Sites, okay? So it's new Google Sites, not the old ones, the new ones, okay? It's much easier to use. And then at the bottom, because you would have already started this, okay, you've got your website here. So here is my demonstration website. Okay then, so here is my demonstration website, okay? You can see it here. It's got all the different things at the top. I've got a home page, I've got the About the App, and I've split this About the App into some sub-pages, okay? So remember, you'll have to design this About the App page, and then you'll have to add in extra information for these. I've got reviews, I've got Where to Buy, and I've got the Future, as well as other games by Mr. D, okay? Of course, you can give your own company your own name. Now, I've got all them there, and obviously all the information will be included for all of these parts, because that is what must be included. But I am showing you how to add the game onto your website. So I have made a new page called Play the Demo, okay? Notice I have got my sub-pages here as well. That is how that is working, okay? You just drag and drop them in, as we did last time. But I'm going to go to Play the Demo, because I'm going to want to put my game into this website, so people could just have a little go at the demonstration version, okay? So when I'm in here, I would go to Insert, and you'll see this Embed box. So if I click the Embed, it will ask to embed the URL or embed the code. Now Scratch, when you've done it on the online version, okay, you will see, and this is Benny's here, okay, so thank you very much, Benny, I'm going to use yours. You will see at the bottom of your page, okay, there's a copy link. You've got the link here, and I've got the embed code, okay? So I am going to copy the embed code. And all I do is I go back to my website, and I paste that into there, like that, okay? I press Next, it will load up, like that. Yep, it's loading it up, and I will insert it. And again, I can then move it into the center. I can obviously make it bigger, okay? The choice is yours and how this works. So there we go, okay? I've got my project embedded into my website for people to play. And look, if I go to preview here now, okay, if I preview it, you'll be able to see, okay, play the demo, there it is. And if I press Benny's game here, press the green flag, you can see the instructions, okay, and I can play it as normal. Now you might need to include some extra information here on how to play your game if it's not already on your screen. And there we go. You can see I have got the game there working, okay? So that is how to embed the game into your website. Let me go back off preview, and there we go, okay? And that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be continuing to build your website. Now remember, what you need to do is you will need to have a look at here, and you need to make sure that you must have these things. You need to make sure that you've included them, okay? So make sure you have these, and of course, add in extra information as you see fit. Now, again, I am looking for year 6 standard work here, so I'm looking for lots of detail and lots of information as well. And look at all these amazing things that you could be having on yours, okay? Things like collapsible text, maybe buttons for links, again, image carousels to scroll around. That could be maybe on your homepage to scroll around different photographs of your game. Maybe if you made more than one poster, you could maybe have this on an advertisements page up here. Okay, get all of that amazing work into one place. Okay, so get everything that you need on here. Again, there's charts. Maybe you could do that as a review. Okay, make a chart up for, like, you know, what people are giving you on reviews. Maybe 4 stars, 5 stars. How many people are giving you them? Have a good sort of solid website to demonstrate your work. And remember, when you finish, you'll need to press publish at the top. It'll come up asking you for your web address. Okay, you can give it what you want to call it, Mr. The Demo 2, because I think it's the second one I've done, and I press publish. It will publish it. You wait, and when it says it's been successfully published like that, you press view. Okay, and then all you need to do when it is ready, okay, and it's been published, then remember that's got to be done by Friday the 5th of June. That is this Friday come up. All you do is you highlight this, you copy it, and you send it to me on Skype. And then therefore I can check your work and I can give you some feedback. Okay, so year 6, you've got till Friday to have this done. If there's any questions, as always, please send me a message and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Otherwise, have a lovely session.